In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and manage deals in HubSpot CRM. Let's start with the big picture. Deals in HubSpot represent revenue opportunities moving through your sales process. Keeping them accurate and up to date gives you reliable forecasts, clear priorities, and alignment across your team. We'll begin at your HubSpot home dashboard, then head straight to Deals, where you'll create and manage opportunities confidently. From your HubSpot home screen, take a moment to get oriented. You'll see quick links, recent activity, and shortcuts to the sales tools. This view is handy for jumping back into work you recently touched, like a deal you were editing or a contact you just emailed. When you're ready, open the Deals area from the main navigation. It typically lives under the Sales section. If your account has custom navigation, use the search bar at the top to find Deals. Now you're on the Deals page. You can switch between board and table views depending on how you like to work. Board view shows your pipeline stages as columns so you can drag and drop deals forward as they progress. Table view gives you a spreadsheet-style list, perfect for sorting and filtering by amount, close date, or owner. Use the pipeline dropdown if you manage more than one sales process, such as new business versus renewals. To create a new opportunity, use the Create button you'll see on this page. Give the deal a clear, consistent name, something like company name plus the product or package, so it's easy for teammates to find. Choose the correct pipeline and stage, then add the expected close date and deal amount. Associating the right contacts and company is essential. It keeps all emails, calls, and notes together on the deal's timeline. Before you save, scan for required properties in your account, like deal type or lead source, to keep your reporting clean. Managing existing deals is just as straightforward. To update details, open a deal and edit fields in the left panel, or make quick inline changes in table view. Assign or reassign an owner to clarify responsibility and make sure tasks and notifications go to the right person. If a deal is moving forward, drag it to the next stage or update the stage from the record. If a deal is lost or no longer relevant, you can delete it or mark it closed lost. Deleting removes it from reporting, so confirm before you proceed. Use filters to focus on what matters today, like deals closing this month or those without a next activity. Adding notes, tasks, and logged emails on the deal keeps the timeline complete, so anyone stepping in has instant context. That's it. You've gone from home to deals, and you now know how to create, edit, assign, move, and clean up opportunities in HubSpot. Keep your fields current, use clear naming, and review your pipeline regularly for a more predictable, healthier sales process.